Hey, this is Suniltams Guruji, India's leading digital coach, digital marketing coach, SEO expert. And in this video, I'm going to create. I'm going to create a lead magnet, PDF lead magnet, and I'm using this tool attract.io. That is called attract.io. So let's get started. Let's create an account. So name is Sanjay Sharma, and my name is Sunil Chaudhary, but this is for my client, Sanjay Sharma. And let me remove this Sharma from here, and the phone number is India. Okay. India. Email ID. Email ID is Sanjay Sharma at tarotpreneur.com. Sanjay Sharma tarotpreneur.com. At the rate tarotpreneur.com. Create your password. That is that is something that is something I cannot tell. Password and next, and password same. What stage is your business at? So $1,000 per month. Okay. Want to talk with the coach about getting more email subscribers? No. How did you hear about us? Other from Sri and Guruji. Okay, finish. Now let's create your first lead magnet. Click on this button and resource guide, checklist, case study, how to guide. So let me have a look what kind of guide I have. According to that, I will choose free guide. So 5 secrets of transformation through tarot. Okay, so this can be a resource guide. How to is also fine. Choose template. And here we can choose this one. Um, my 5 step process for creating high, whatever it is. So let's choose it. Mm, uh, let's change the name of the guide. 5 secrets of transformation through tarot. 5 secrets of transformation through tarot. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Here we need to put the photo of the coach. This one I can use. Change the name. Here we have to write some description. Let's try to find. Yes, here it is. It is already there. You are about to discover 5 secrets creating high expression about the tarot card. We can change it later. So whatever I can do, I'm doing it right now. Clarify your outcome. This is the first secret. Clarify your outcome. That is similar to niche clarity, right? So for attract.io, we need less text, but it's okay. Sometime we can go with the more also. Second is strategize your actions. And let me remove this underline. Underline. Let me remove this bold also. Now the text. Here, change the photo. Now the third one, upgrade your expertise. Okay, upgrade your expertise. Let's make the E capital, then copy this content and paste it here. Change the photo. Okay. Now the next one is master your psychology. Copy the text. Okay, now change the image. Okay, something is wrong. The first one is clarify your outcome. Second is strategize your actions. Third is upgrade your expertise. And the fourth is optimize your environment. So yeah, one is left, optimize your environment. Here we can optimize our environment. Okay, now let's copy the text and paste it here. Change the image. We can find some. Okay, done. So this is how easy it is to create a lead magnet, PDF lead magnet in attract.io. That is mind-blowing tool. You must use it. Okay. So I'm giving some final touches here. So on the book tarot reading. This is the link test for call to action, and here I'm going to put the booking link. This one, copy the link from here and paste it here. This is done. PDF is done, almost done. Let me show you what is there. Publish. Customize your URL. Sanjay Sharma free tarot guide. So this is the place where you can customize your lead magnet, and we can say preview. This is the, you can remove the preview. So this is the URL of your tarot guide, and it is done. I'm sharing it with my client. Okay, done. Done. Okay, that's all. Now I would like to show you a few more things. So tarot guide is done. Free lead magnet is done, but a few more things we should do here is what is that? Settings. So what we can do is background color we can change. That should be that should be this is 173740 as per the client's requirement. Do we have the option 173740? Let me go back and say 173740. So this is the color. Let's change it. 173740. Something is wrong. Let me check the color code again. 173740. So here it is different. Somebody can do something like that also. It's fine. Okay. So this is the color we have done. Now background image we need. So background image we can go for something attractive. Anything else? Background image. This one. This one is fine. So background image changed. It is giving the feeling of the um, whatever it is, the topic, and it's done. Let me see if I can. Here also we have to change Go to this gear button and background image, let's change it. Background color, then change it again. Down. Here also we have changed. Okay. Some photo is not very acceptable, so let's change it. Let's change it to this. Let's have a look again. This one is fine. So let's go back and change that photo also. This is also fine. Okay, now here. Here also we can change the photo of the background, the image of the background. And let's see what is happening. We changed it, but what is wrong? Hmm, what is wrong? We change the color, but that background is not visible here. What to do? What to do? Now it's working. Now it's working. Now let's change another color. If we can change this color, no, I don't want this color. This color we need to change, but that option is not coming. That's okay, not a problem, big problem. So got the link and review. And the guide is ready. 5 secrets of transformation through tarot. And this by Sanjay Sharma, Tarotpreneur. About the guide. First, image is not coming here. Image is not coming. Second, third image not coming. Fourth image not coming. Fifth coming. Sixth page is the call to action. So it's fine. Let's go back here. Why the images are not coming? Here the first image is coming. First image is coming. Second image is also coming. Third image is also coming. Fourth is also coming. Fifth is also coming. So here everything is coming, but not sure why in this PDF not everything is coming. First image itself is not coming. Second image coming. Third image not. So it seems we have to remove some text. Maybe this one I can remove from here. Then so some uh, perfectioning or some finishing or final touches are required. Otherwise, the lead magnet is perfectly ready. And I hope you have learned how to create your lead magnet in attract.io platform. And I have shown everything live and everything in the session without any editing, and everything is pretty much clear how I created, and you can create all that. So thank you very much for watching this session. If you want to learn complete digital marketing, you can join my courses. If you need a digital ecosystem for your business or for your entrepreneurship, contact me. If you need SEO services, and welcome. You are welcome here. I'm ready to provide high quality services. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.